Hey again, what I want to do in this video, just main page, some person ask him to, anyone want to enter chat room, we will ask him to enter his name, then we pass it to the second activity. So I know that to work with a new page, I have to add a new view controller, and this view controller, I should say, hey, this is my start point, so I should move the start point to this activity. And what this activity have to have, two things. You have to have text field, someone enter his name, your name in the room, so make sure it is. Anyway, you could do it in this way, so your name in room, in chat room, like ask him to enter his name in the chat room, not background, sorry, just copy it, should be in the placeholder. Ask him to enter his name, what the name that you'd like in the chat room. Then I add button, the button just for login the user. So I say, hey, login. So this one have to be pinned from top, from this side, I'm done. This one also should be pinned from this side from the top. And okay, maybe you didn't like the size of this button, you want to make it bigger, I could do it for you. Before I just pin this one, so I will say, okay, this one I don't like it in this way up here. I never like the buttons to be in background that way, so have them in this background maybe more helpful for the people. So yes, you see this is a login button, so somehow it appears as a login button. So now this button needs to be pinned from this side, and the width and height to be fixed, so no one could change them. I'm done. So because this is a view control, have to have a file that manage it. So add a new, okay, CocoaPods view controller. I name it a view controller for login. This is just for logining thing. So login. So I'm done from this part. So what I do more, I say, hey, this controller should be connected to this view controller. So go down, should be view controller login. Now let me just connect the object and pass them to the second activity. I'm saying here, this is my login page, so this should be the login. So this one should be, hopefully I got the correct function. UI view controller, yes, I name it li username, okay, and this one should be bu login, so bu login, and I make it outlet, sorry, bu, you say what he say, cannot insert bu, okay, I think he just complained about the place that I want to post my code. So I think first of all you have some wrong in the writing code here, because here if you look here to the login page, I think I didn't pass it to the VC login, this one VC login, but what that one was. Okay, so this one should be this, and this one should be manual view controller login. Is not the one that I'm looking for, unfortunately. I'm looking for VC login. I don't know why he showed me different one. Top level. Here you go, this is mine. So that was our name. This should be the BU login, so you could say, here is it, say BU login, ask user to do up. I don't need to do outlet, I need to do this one. Wait a second, I just removed this one. Let me just first of all remove this button, and because I removed this button, I have to make sure go here and remove it so I will not have any running issues. Then go ahead, now connect me. This one should be bu login, and this one should be action. Here you go. Now I have this button sound for user login. So also what you need to do is this. We said, hey, I want to go from this one to this one, so I have to select the activity, control, then go to this one, click show. So I will show you this activity, so he go from this one to that one. And now in the code of the login, I try to implement the code for presenting everything. So I don't need this part, I need to do login. So to present, you now say first of all, say perform segue. Well, the name of the segue you want to give it, any name, like show chatroom, and the value that you pass it, I don't pass anything for now, so I pass null. I don't care about any value to pass it. And what I have a chat room, so that's mean I have to go to the UI and say, hey, this segue as IO identification should be named as a chat room. So you could know it. So now in the code login, I say, okay, I have everything in the segue. So now he could perform. So I say prepare. So now the process, he say, hey, first of all, if the segue dot identification equal this one chat room, that's me coming from this chat room. I also try to follow this pattern, so when you have more than one, you don't have any problem. Now you say, hey, if let the destination this equal only segue. Okay, see what segue dot destinations this okay, let segue dot destinations, then you convert it to what? To view controller, because I want to go to the view controller, which is this view controller. I want to pass also to this view controller, I want to pass the username. So what is suppose variable user name, this way I suppose to be a string, and it doesn't have any value as initial value, so I suppose I'm passing username to this one. So in here is destination. Okay, if I have anything, I'm ready. That's mean okay, destination dot username, I pass them whatever I have in the text, which what I have txt or la username.text, just pass it to him. You could follow this pattern, or you could do it in this way, like send it from here to here, like same pattern that we did before, send it through here, then here read it, or you could do it very simple and straightforward, bam, and you will be all set. So now I think I have the login ready, and in the main page here in the controller, when he get the user login, he have to be able to set it without instead Hussein every time. Now I'm using different users, like every time whatever users you want to login, make sure this users also should be in this way, this sign after it, because we are reading value from someone expect to have a null, so make sure mention that one after it. So let's do a second and see if I will be able to do everything, and if he will be able to show me whatever I expect to see. So so this is the chat room. Hopefully now everything sounds cool. Here you go. He asked me for enter your name in the chat room. Let me name myself Jenna. Logan. He take me to this page. I say hey all. Bam. You just have to create a new node with the username Jenna. Post, and she said hi all. Amazing. So let's go next and complete our application.